Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear viewers, your host Sayyid Ahmad Shah Qadri Chishti from Astane Aliya Jhundiwali Sarkar is present here for all of you on Spiritual Sayyid Ahmad Shah. Today's our topic is unemployment. Friends, nowadays people are victim of many problems, and which one of the most important is unemployment. In this video, I will tell you how to get rid of unemployment. Let's start. There is a solution of every problem in Quran Pak. After Namaz Isha, read Surah Fatiha 100 times, and in the beginning and the ending of this Surah Fatiha, read Darood Sharif 11 times. Insha'Allah, with the grace of Allah, your issue will be resolved. You will get a job in every aspect. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, so share it and like it. I pray Allah be pleased with all of us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.